Okay, so the next one is the American barbell hip thrust. Essentially, all you're doing is, in terms of the height and the depth of where you would normally bridge to or thrust to, you're going to stay on the top 2/3. So as I come up to my peak, I come down level, come down again. I just don't come low. That's the point. So bring yourself up. I want your shoulder blades on it here. Roll them back so I've got your bra strap on it. From that point, I want your feet to go square. I want your heels not be too far back. Won't work too far forward. Hamstrings will come into play too much. So bring them into the middle. I'm going to create like a right angle table once I go to the top, okay? The top 2/3, what we're going to do. So from here, and I hit the squeeze on the posterior tilt, I come down anterior, and again, straight up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. What we're not doing, like a standard hip thrust, is getting all the way on the depth. We're going to avoid that. We're going to keep the time and the tension. Just the top 2/3. Have a go.